The situation that I'm going to describe to you today frequently occurs after a leap, and we have a perfect example here. So if we start with the quick notes in the middle of measure 1, I can be in exactly the right place for the leap, and then when it's time to cross, you see that I'm very far away from the note that I have to play. It would take an enormous movement to put the arm into the right place. So you say, well, why not get in the right place when you make the leap? That would also require an enormous movement. I would have to get all the way out here in order to be in the right place to make that crossing. There is an easier way to do it, and I'll show you what it is. So we're going to make the leap first, and then we're going to continue to move the arm to the right as the rotation goes to the left. So I'm playing the scale, left, 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 but you can see that the arm has moved to the right. I'm in one piece here, which is what's crucial for the crossing. Then I can get in the right place for that fourth finger. Once you're in the right place for the first crossing, there's no problem continuing the scale, but it's that first crossing that's usually the difficult one. So one more time, just so that you can see what I'm talking about, what I'd like you to do is watch the side of my forearm, because you're going to see that forearm move to the right as I'm going down the scale. It may sound counterintuitive that the rotation goes to the left when the arm moves to the right, but we have to do that kind of thing all the time, and I'm sure that you do it a lot of the time without even being aware of it. So just watch my arm this time so that you can get a picture of what's happening there. So you see that it all looks very smooth coming down the scale, but you notice that I'm notching to the right in order to get ready for the crossing over the thumb. You want to make sure that the arm, hand, and fingers feel connected throughout. That is the fundamental piece of information for those of you that are newer to the work that you never want to lose sight of.